Okay guys, ngayon po i-unbox natin ang Sony HDR-CX405 Handycam. See, leaflets, operating guide, in different languages. Okay. Natin what's inside. Power adapter. Yan. Then cables. This is HDMI, micro HDMI. Then USB. It's a USB cable extension. And we have the battery. Yan. And last, ano ba? Last, we have the Handycam. Yun. Yan po. Okay. So next time, I'm gonna make video for how to use it at kung paano gamitin sa live streaming. Yan. So we have the recap. We have the Handycam, the power adapter, battery, HDMI, micro HDMI, and the USB extension cable. So yun lang po guys ang laman ng sa box ng Handycam. Yung link po kung saan siya mabibili, ilalagay ko lang po sa description. Yan. Salamat po and God bless.